Daily English Talks.
Talking about exercise.
Hey, Lina. I noticed you've been going to the gym quite often lately. Are you really into exercising these days?
Yeah, Alex, I've been trying to make it a daily habit because I realize how much better I feel after a good workout.
That's awesome. I've been thinking about starting too, but I always find it hard to stay consistent.
I totally understand. At first, I struggled with motivation too, but once I started seeing small changes in my energy and mood, it got easier.
So what kind of exercises do you usually do when you go to the gym?
I usually start with some stretching, then do about 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill, and finish with light strength training.
That sounds like a great routine. Do you prefer working out in the morning or the evening?
I like working out in the morning because it gives me a burst of energy for the rest of the day.
I've heard that morning workouts help you focus better throughout the day. Is that true for you?
Absolutely. I feel more alert and productive, and it even helps me maintain a positive mindset.
That's interesting because I usually feel too sleepy in the morning to even think about exercise.
It was the same for me at first, but after a few days, my body started adjusting to the routine.
Maybe I should try that too, though I'm more into sports like basketball rather than gym workouts.
Oh, that's great! Sports are an excellent form of exercise because they're fun and keep you active without feeling like a chore.
Yeah, I like that I can stay fit while hanging out with friends and enjoying the game.
Exactly. The social aspect makes it easier to stay consistent and motivated.
Do you usually work out alone or with friends?
I prefer working out alone most of the time because it helps me focus, but sometimes I join group fitness classes.
Group classes sound interesting. What kind of classes do you attend?
I've tried yoga and Zumba. Yoga helps me relax, and Zumba makes exercising feel like dancing at a party.
That sounds fun. I've never tried Zumba, but I've seen videos where everyone seems to be having a great time.
You should definitely try it sometime. It's perfect for burning calories while having fun.
I might. By the way, do you follow any special diet along with your workouts?
I try to eat balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean protein, and water. But I also let myself enjoy a treat now and then.
That's a good approach. I always thought you had to eat super strict meals to stay fit.
Not really. Balance is key. Extreme diets usually don't last long and can make you tired.
True. I've seen people quit exercising because their diets were too hard to follow.
Exactly. It's better to build small, sustainable habits instead of going too hard too fast.
How long have you been exercising regularly now?
It's been about 6 months, and honestly, I can't imagine not doing it anymore.
Wow, that's impressive. Have you noticed any big changes since you started?
Definitely. Not just physically, but mentally too. I feel calmer, more confident, and less stressed.
That's amazing. I didn't realize exercise could help with mental health too.
It really does. When you work out, your body releases endorphins that make you feel happier.
I guess that's what people mean when they say exercise is a natural stress reliever.
Exactly. It's like giving your mind a little vacation while keeping your body strong.
Do you ever get lazy or skip your workouts?
Of course. Everyone does sometimes. But I try not to feel guilty and just get back on track the next day.
That's a healthy attitude. I often quit completely when I miss a few days.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Even a short walk counts as exercise, so start small.
That's encouraging. Maybe I'll start walking every morning before breakfast.
That's a great idea. Morning walks can clear your mind and set a positive tone for the day.
Do you listen to music when you exercise?
Always. I have a playlist full of upbeat songs that keep me moving and motivated.
I think music really makes a difference. It turns exercise into something enjoyable.
Yes, it creates rhythm and energy, which helps you push through the tough parts.
Have you ever tried running outdoors instead of the treadmill?
I have, and it's so refreshing. The fresh air and changing scenery make it more enjoyable.
I love jogging in the park. It feels less like a workout and more like an adventure.
Exactly. Connecting with nature makes you forget that you're even exercising.
What's your main fitness goal, by the way?
My goal is to stay healthy, energetic, and confident, not just to look a certain way.
That's a great mindset. I think focusing on health is more motivating than focusing only on appearance.
Totally agree. When you focus on how you feel instead of how you look, it becomes a lifestyle.
You've really inspired me, Lina. I think I'll start my own exercise routine soon.
That's great to hear. Just remember to start slowly and stay consistent.
Thanks for the advice. Maybe we can work out together sometime.
I'd love that. We could go jogging or try a beginner's yoga session together.
Perfect! It'll be fun to have someone to keep me motivated along the way.
Absolutely, Alex. Let's make staying healthy a fun journey, not just a goal.